our project. AR Colorize. See your color before your paint. This is our concept. It detects a wall and paint automatically. Why we choose this problem statement? Because of we are lagging to choose the color with satisfied to environment and we want to choose that. So it's very easy for artificial intelligence or a prototype which demonstrates the real experience in a virtual world. Our team members are Ashin Kumar A, Guru Prasad R, and Gokul S. It's me. First, the problem we are facing in our environment. Choosing the paint in a frustrating and expensive guessing game. Small paint chips don't look the same on the large wall. Wasted money, homeowners buy countless sample pots that are never been used. Existing apps are toys, but our tools are not like that. They are unrealistic, bleed color onto furniture and fail to preserve your real world shadows. But our apps preserve their real world experiments without any delays and lags. The solution for is AR Colorize, a realistic real-time AR try-on for your walls. This is how it works. Point your phone at any wall. Our app preserves the natural lighting and shadows according to the environment. Tap a color and see it applied instantly and realistically in a live mode. It detects the wall and suggests a layer on it. So you need how to the sample output is occurred. It is the basic prototype for detection of the wall system and it augments a color on it. It intelligently masks the furniture and objecting the objects and it fixtures the problem according to the environment. It only detects the wall. How it works, how technology we are implemented in it. First of all, we open the app, that is our app AR Colorizer. It asks the camera permission and then it scan and detect the wall. Uses the phone's AR framework to find the walls and analyze the room's textures and the real-time lighting according to the environment it detects and scan according to that. Smart masking. Here we are using the CNN model, that is nothing but a convolutional neural network. It is an AI based deep learning concepts according to that. Identifies and masks the obstructions like furnitures, doors or any other obstructions in the environment. It's a live video. If you're focusing a wall, we don't upload any. It's live mode. It detects a wall and apply the color on it. Realistic rendering. Rendering means the apps being rendering and running according to that. Our rendering engine blends a new color with the room's actual shadows, creating a high fidelity preview. It's not just a prototype, but it occurs at the high fidelity preview. The opportunity of the market size, yeah, it according to its major market size, it's according because everyone facing that how to use color, how to pick a color for my house, like that they are all in the confusional state. If they have any sample output or recognizable in mind, okay, it's just suitable for our environments, it's okay. But our human mentality is we lack on that. We target the users like homeowners, interior designers and builders starting in the cities areas. Target market, the rupees 1 lakh crore USD of United States billion, I mean it's a dollar, like Indian paint industries. The target market size is expected like one. Our segment, the decorative paint market has as the 75% of the total segments. We need our top brands like Asian Paints and Berger Paints and Nippon Paints. We need to better AR tools to win the customers to make it such a strategy key role on it. Business model, how we make the money using this app, how to build, how to make a money. B2C, B2B, two concepts there are. Freemium black lights, free standard colors. If the academic combined with any specialized or texturized or design based means it's a premium. Unlock official brand palettes like Asian Paints, Berger, etc. paint companies are available in our country. And then B2B licensing. License our advanced ER tech to paint companies like Nippon Paint or Shinlek for their own apps. They're having their own app for them. The competition. Paint company apps versus AR Colorize. The app already existing is weakness, poor edge detection, unrealistic color, no shadow preservation. But our app AR Colorize, its more advantage like that. Strength is high fidelity rendering, real-time lighting, and smart obstruction masking. We are your tool, we are not your toy. They ask, we are currently seeking the mentorship from the industry experts in AR and real estate technology. Our goal is to secure the first place funding in this competition to further develop our segmentation model and launch a public beta. This is our ask for our vision. Thank you. AR Colorize. Try it on before you buy it. Thank you.
Okay, hello everyone. You have seen that Gokul explaining our PPT. Now let us look into the original software that we developed. It is developed using the Unity. We are going to open the project. Firstly, we created the scene and the AR session. The additional light is also given. The event system is being set up and the event systems setups are done here. We can see that the event setups are done here. UI. The UI is being created here. We created the create button, deletion button, option button, and the couching UI and the greeting prompt that welcome to AR Colorize. Let's get started. We also developed the debug menu and the XR origin that creates the AR ring. The camera offset is given. Paint UI. Here's what our original app differ. The UI pickup panel where we just started with red, blue and green yellow colors at the start. Let us check into our assets folder. We have paint materials that is blue, green, red, yellow and white. The logo is also present in this assets. We have the scenes, scripts and the text mesh flow and the logos in this assets. Let us look deep into our scripts. We have wall painter controller, which is the C sharp script we developed. It is a mono behavior script we imported using a Unity engine and the AR foundation. AR subsystems was also used here. The system.collections.generic is being imported. The wall paint color controller, which is being our script in this application. We started the coding by using this class and we declared the current material index, wall direction count, the number of walls being directed. Is the painting enabled at the starting? We don't enable it, so false. We are going to create the start function which finds the object of our type and the plane is being directed and enable painting this function here we declared here that is being invoked here. The minimum wall area and the minimum wall height is being detected to not falsely paint on the surfaces other than the walls like windows and chairs or something other than the walls. The cupboards are also being avoided using these measures. The enable painting function is being declared here. On plane changed. The plane is being changed. The new plane is directed. As we move our camera, the new planes are also directed, right? The count valid was the walls that is valid or counted. And if the plane, as we saw already, the area of the wall is also calculated here So we can avoid unnecessary objects to be painted like cupboards and something that will not be painted by our app. It is being continuously updated as it is augmented reality. We need to update it by second to second. Get mouse down and we can paint the app. Show the detection logs. These are being used to detect the wall count. Currently tracking this much of walls in the vertical planes as walls are in the vertical. Paint wall. This function is being used here to render the painting continuously. Wall painted. After we paint the wall, this log is executed. If the wall paint is not painted, we also give the error code. No plane detected at touch position. So we can prompt the user to move the camera and point out to the plane. Get valid reason. This is being used as we already saw, the other than walls is being detected and avoided using this function. Too small, too short, or like we saw, the windows or furniture is avoided, likely a furniture, it is also avoided. Set paint color. We choose what color we want, right? The paint color change to the paint name. The paint names of the paint is also given here. And we can also add an option to the color code of the paints. Set minimum wall area. The wall minimum area is being set by ourselves and it can be differed to place, so we can make it to a dynamic one. Get a wall count is also given here and the paint enable function is given and on destroy function is also provided. So this code is being completed using these functions. So we can render this in the Unity engine. Thank you. Let us see the output part in the later.
Hello everyone, I am Guru Prasad. You have already seen Gokul and Ashwin Kumar explaining about our application. Now let's see output part of our project. AR Colorize real-time wall repainting system. Okay, this application is developed using augmented reality technology to help user visual wall color in real time. Of physically painting the wall, user can preview different colors instantly using mobile phone, mobile phone. Okay, uh, first the application activate this mobile camera. The system detect the wall surface using real-time image processing and AR-based surface detection. Once a wall is identified, the user can select any color from the available color palette. Okay, the selected color is applied directly onto detector wall surface in the real time. Even when camera moved or lighting condition change, the application continuously track the wall, adjust the color to maintain a realistic appearance. Okay. Then as you can see output, different color can be applied instantly without any delay. User can switch between multiple colors to compare and decide the best option. This real-time output gives user clear idea of the how to the wall will look after actual painting. This application and advantage, the system is very useful for home owners who want to repaint the houses. It help avoid wrong color selection, save times and reduce unnecessary expense. Interior design can also use application to show live color preview to the clients. Okay. Conclusion of a AR Colorize real-time wall repainting system provide as an interactive, efficient and user-friendly solution for color visualize. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hope this application useful for you. Okay, thank you.